How to fix TikTok not letting you make new account. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not letting you make a new account easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps like this, now you have to wait a few seconds. So now you have to scroll until you find TikTok. Click on data usage and then scroll down here. Make sure to enable all the options here. Go back and then click on the storage or the internal storage right here. Wait a few seconds, it will start computing the number of the data storage that you have in your TikTok. And then all what you want to do is click on this clear data option to clear all the data in the app, and then restart your phone and reopen TikTok. Don't forget to like, subscribe.